Welcome everyone, another Brick Lego Monday, Brick Heads. Did Obi-Wan last week. I was tickled with his tunic and how the robe has, the cowl and everything on the robe. So I thought that was nice little effects they gave to him. Actually had ears on the brick head. I don't think I've had one with ears before. But anyways, so did him last week. So now we move on to Vader. Got the Dark Lord of the Sith incoming today. Looks like be about the same. 2 bags and a book. Let's see, and for anybody who's new here, I just knoll out my pieces and then I go back and play it, build it in high speed and try and find some fairly interesting music to put underneath it, so y'all can enjoy that while you see this is build. But anyway, so I'll do that and I'll talk to you again at the end. lost my mic. Where'd it go? Okay. Okay. Get on there. Oh, there we go. I was surprised that his eyeballs or his eyes weren't translucent pieces with like white behind them or gray behind them to make them have that lens look effect. But you know, it still looks really good with the solid red. More, you know, the cape effect on there. He got it wrapped around his shoulders and everything. I think that's nice. All in all, I think a really good looking set for the two of them. They're sort of, you know, you can't really do Vader's, you know, skull the way, you know, he can't be round all the way around with a brick head. So that's sort of, you know, I guess everybody's skull is round all the way around, but I think his is just more pronounced because of the helmet. There they are. That's, you know, I think it's a fun little set. Any Star Wars fan ought to like it. Maybe back there. I don't know if I can't figure out these where to set them up as far on the stands, because they never stay on the stands anyway. For me, I barely pick them up and they fall off. But you know, I like it. Yeah, I didn't think about until I was laying the pieces out that I'm building a predominantly black toy on a black background. So that was lack of foresight in my part. So something to think about. And you know, you can wiggle his, you know, mouth like a mustache, little cartoons. I like, you know, that's something that amuses me. But anyway, that's Darth Vader and Obi-Wan Kenobi. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. I'm going to do mask this week on my toys, and next week I'll get back into building cars on the Lego Monday. But anyways, I'll see you next time.